So here we are with another item sent to me from Amazon, from their Amazon Basics. Amazon seem to love sending me stuff from their Amazon Basics. I didn't pay any money for this. This was sent to me directly from Amazon to have a little test, have a look at, and this is an Amazon Basics humidifier. So this is a humidifier, and I've had to bring up a few bits about it. I've never had a humidifier, so I don't know much about humidifiers. Humidifiers are, and I am going to read this, humidifiers act as a natural moisturising agent and can relieve dryness. So like dryness in the air, I think basically it just puts some moisture in the air. It says they can be used for dry skin, sinus problems, headaches, dry throats, nose irritation, bloody noses. I used to get a lot of bloody noses, like nosebleeds, when I was younger and I used to play football and stuff. Irritated vocal cords, dry skin, cracked lips. I just got that off Google, just what humidifiers are for, if you don't already know. But if you're watching this because you know all about humidifiers, ignore that first part. So this is Amazon. They've gone straight into that Amazon Basics. I do like Amazon Basic stuff. So they do some pretty good stuff, and they're normally really well priced. There's no reviews so far of this on Amazon. There's no price of it, and it's currently unavailable. So I believe I could be the first person in the UK to have this in my hand. I'll put the picture up, you can see it there. I'll put it on screen, it'd be easier to look at. So they are saying this is an ultrasonic cool mist humidifier with night light. Telling you a little bit about it. Let's get this open, this Amazon Basics humidifier. Let's put down here. So here we go. We've just got this bag to take off here. So here it is. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So having a look at it, you have got your Amazon Basics logo there, you've got a button, and you've got another button. What do the buttons do? So this one's light. Oh, there's your little timer, I guess. It's just saying 12 hours, 24 hours, and A must be auto. One button there, one button there. It don't feel super cheap, but it don't feel premium. So this top bit's quite loose. That just literally slides off. I don't suppose you're going to be shaking it, so it's going to be full of water. So that's going to be full of water. Oh, it does lock in, sorry. It locks in as well, there's a little bit there. So on the base, that's going to be your little light, and you've got some other little bits there. UK plug. So you've got this part. You're going to turn around and you're going to fill that up with water. What I'm going to quickly say, this instruction manual, it's not really that good. Amazon, you need to make this a bit more basic. This part, you push that in, you can put a few drops of aroma oils, essential oils, etc. on that little pad, and then it will seep into it and you will get some nice aroma coming. So it is here. I've just plugged it in. I've lowered the camera, obviously. Just plugged it in. I don't know if it's doing anything. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. You've only got a blue light to play with. Look at that. So look, if I stand like this so you can see it with my jumper, you can see how much it's spraying out. And it's only water, so it's pretty safe. Look, that is going right in my eyeballs. That's pretty safe. That feels refreshing. I don't think you're meant to sit with it like that and saying, oh, that's cooling down my head. You just let it do what it wants to do in the room and putting moisture on my face is a little bit damp. So there is a bit of, I think now, going back to it on the manual where they're going on about don't put this by anything electric, all that sort of business. Now I think I've kind of gathered it, because you don't want this near anything electrical because water's going to get in. nothing's wet around me or on the table. Well done, Amazon. I know humidifiers have been out for a while, but you've jumped on it and you've brought out a basic range. I will put a link to this below. At the time of filming this, it's not currently for sale, but keep checking if you're really after the Amazon basic range. Also price wise, I don't know, because it's just not listed. But normally if it's from Amazon basic, it will be a pretty decent price. Thank you once again, Amazon, for sending this out for me to have a test of, and I'm keeping it. See you in our next video, where I'll be reviewing more humidifiers. This is the official humidifier reviewer on YouTube. No, I won't. There'll never be a humidifier review again. I've got one now. I don't need two of them. I don't need another one of them. You have one, you've had them all. Oh, it is. I think we're starting to water bead here. It is working. Let's keep it going for a second longer. Just wanted to kind of show, I was hoping this was going to show how much water this is putting into the air. Because this has been on this a few minutes, isn't it? A few seconds even more. And now look, we can see almost the condensation in the cup. The wetness in the cup. It's really not much at all. And there is a bit of dampness on there, but not enough to call it wet. What other experiment can I do? I'll just turn the camera off.